Hello, welcome to this new tutorial by Kato James Kalemba. In this tutorial, we are going to design a poster in Canva. And without further ado, let's get started. So what we are going to do, you are going to go to any browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome, and you are going to type in Canva. I already have a tutorial. Actually, I have a series of videos on how to get started with Canva, how to create an account. I'm going to leave a link in the description. So if at all you didn't watch them, you can always watch them to get started, so you don't get confused on the way. And this tutorial, I'm concentrating on the designing part, so I'm not going to take much time explaining the basic concept. Basically, we are going to design something. We are going to get some inspiration from Google, and we can see how we can go about it. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to Google, and we are going to design a poster. So let me put in poster. Let me just say, how do you see if we design something like a saloon poster? Let me say saloon poster. Let's see if we can get something good. Uh, okay. Oh, these are good. Oh, these are actually good. Okay. Which one should we go with? And this one looks a little bit better. I don't know. Let's let's go with this one. Okay, let's go with this one, you see. So let me save it to my local computer. So if I go to my file explorer, you can see this is the image we are. This is the poster we are designing, and it looks to be a bit small. But anyway, let's design something like this. Okay. So I'm going to go back to Canva. I'm going to type in poster, so I can get, I can begin from scratch. I'm going to choose a blank design. I'm going to come here and choose create blank. So if at all you want to begin from a template that is already designed, you can always choose from any of these ones. But remember, if you are using a free version, you can't choose a design that has this logo. This logo means that this is a pro, and you can only use it when you are using a pro version. So let's choose this one, so you can begin from scratch. Okay. So you can always zoom it by pressing Ctrl, and you just scroll your button up. Ctrl and scroll your button up to make it big. Then you go to zoom in, and then Ctrl and you scroll your mouse. You scroll it down so you can make it the design look smaller. So let me make it big so you guys can see what we are doing. So when I look at this one, before you start any design, first identify the elements that are involved in that design. For example, when I look here, I can see we have this big element that is in sort of a circle, something like a circle, but within this one we have another one, but then we have other circles with images, then we have another circle here and some text. This one looks like a logo, and then some background color. So what we are going to do, we are going to first get some background color. We can use any color of our choice. We are not necessarily meant to design this one. We just use it as a sample. So I'm going to click here. Okay, I'm going to click here, and then click here where there is background color. You can choose any of these colors that appear here. So I can choose black. Actually, let me choose black. So, okay, I think this one looks like an image in the background because I can see something here, and it's not black all through. So I can go to background and I choose something black. I don't know. Let's go with this one. Okay, I think this one can work. So let's, here I can see we have this circle, and then within it we have another circle that is cut. So what we are going to do, we are going to, let's see, first put in that circle. So I'm going to come to elements, and I type in, you can either put circle or you can put shapes, because circle is a shape. You put shape, then I'll click here to see more of them. Let me make it a bit smaller, so like this. So you just click in it, then it will be displayed on your design. Okay, so you can click here to make it, to resize it. So I think this is enough. Okay, this is enough. Let's put some background color. Let's choose this one. Yeah, it is just fine with me. How does this one shaped? Okay, so you can have something like this. Okay, then let me make it a little bit. Okay, I don't know. Okay, so this is what we have. So within it we have this other circle, but now when you look, this is not basically a circle because it has like a background image. So what we are going to do, we are not going to put a circle like as in a shape, a circle that is a shape, but we are going to put a circle that is a frame. So I'm going to come here and say frame, press enter, then frames are going to come. So I'm going to choose a frame that is in form of a circle. Let me see how this one is designed. Okay, I can have something like this. I think it is like this. I have to leave. I think let me make this one a little bit big. So you have something like this. So when you look here, we have something, we have an image, but then we have something like a border here with a background of black. So I'm going to click this one. I click here where there is border style, and I'm going to increase on the border weight. I'm going to leave it blank. So I'm gonna come here and put in a lady, because this is a lady. Okay. Oh, which one are we choosing? Okay, let me see this one. So I'm going to choose this one. As you can see, this one, the red actually appears. When I put this one like this, the red will not appear, because this is more, this is not, the image is not like well positioned. So I'm going to crop it by dragging this one this side, and actually I can leave this one big. So okay, okay. So this is the image we have. I think this one is okay. We can see the lady here. Then here we have some other circles, but with background images. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click this very image, and I duplicate it by pressing Ctrl Z. Then I drag it, and I try to resize it to, okay, like so. Here the background, the border size seem to be yellow, and they are not of a big margin. So I'm gonna come here and reduce on the border weight. Then I'll change it to yellow, like so. So I'm going to drag it and put it up here. I may not necessarily change the images. So we have something like this. I think this is okay. This looks good. So maybe you can change, and maybe you can put in some ladies like this one. Put her here. Then let's see this one. here, like so. Then this one, put her here. You just drag and then you put it in the frame and it will be placed there. It will just replace anything in the frame. So yeah, we have something like this, and I think it is coming out well. So then here we have something like a logo, then company name. So to put a text, you just come here to text, then you choose any of these one, and you can even choose among these styled or Magiki. You can choose even this styled text, so long as it doesn't have this. It's not for Pro. You can always see that it is not for Pro. When you put a cursor, you want to be able to see this one, this icon that shows that the image goes for Pro versions. So I'm gonna click this one. You just click in it and it will be placed here. So I'm going to drag and drop it here. Okay, so I can say Canva Saloon, like so. It's not just Canva. I don't know if Canva has a saloon. Anyway, we are just doing this one just for study purpose. So Canva Saloon, you can click in it and you can always change the font family by clicking here. You select it, then you click here, so you can change to any font family you want. Okay, so let me leave it like this. Okay, let me just take it to, okay, this one is great. So we have Canva Saloon, and so let's get here and we get some logo. Let's type in logo. You go to element, then you type in logo, then you can choose any. Okay, let's have something like this. Okay, I think this one is not good. This one is not good. Okay, let's see this one. So what we are going to do, I want to choose this one, but I'm going to first download it. Oh, oh, I think this one I can't download. Oh, okay, what are we going to do? What are we going to do? So what we are going to do, let's choose this one, but let's put it in a circle. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose any of these frames. I duplicate it, put it here, I resize it. I'm going to remove any border by turning this one back to 0. Then I'm going to drag this one and drop it here. Yeah, this looks good. And this is my logo. This is my logo. Then I can now put, we have another image here. So now you know the trick. Just choose one, you duplicate, put it anywhere you want. Then you can put any image you want. Saloon. Okay, let me say saloon. And let's see what we have. Let's see. Okay, I think let's just download something from internet so you can even see how we upload images from the computer. So let me choose Saloon equipments. Let me go to images. Okay, let's choose this one. Okay, let's just choose this one. Let's click, save as, save to your computer, come back here. Then the image is downloaded, so I'm going to click here. I drag and drop here. So when you drag and drop, and you see that when you go to upload this, it will start uploading. And when it's done, this one will load. It will disappear when it's done loading. So I have my image. So if I don't do that, you can always come here and you upload your image by clicking here. Then you go to where your image is. You can choose it, open, and it will be uploaded in your upload area, so you can select it anytime you want. So it is here. So let me just delete this one. So I'm going to drag it and drop here. So we have an image like this one. So we have here our services. So let me make this one a little bit big. So I can come here, I can choose any text. Let me choose this one, can put it here, and any group, because I'm going to delete some. So I'm going to put in our services, like so. So you can always click and reduce on the size, like so. Then, so we have something like this. This one doesn't look okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come to effects, and you see here where there is curve, it is here, it shows that it is curved. So I'm going now, okay. So let's just drag this one and put it back to normal, like so. Then, so you can have it in a straight line. So if you want it to be the way it is, you can just leave it like you can just leave it, and you have it in a curved shape. But me, I never wanted it to be like that. Here, so let me just copy this one so I can have two lines. So I can have this one, then I can duplicate it, and have our services, like so. So you can change color by clicking here, or any of these colors you want, like this. So you can underline by coming here, and you click here, like so. So you can always underline. Then you can put all the services you want. Let me see how this one is doing it. Okay, here it seems that it is left aligned, something like that. So let me go and choose these new texts, like this one. So I'm gonna put it here. So I want them to be here. So let me make it white so it is visible, and let me reduce the font size to this one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to just drag this one to be on the same line with this one, and I'm going to, oh, this is not good. I'm going to click here, so they can be left aligned. So I can say maybe hair cutting, something like this. So I duplicate, I can maybe say, oh, what other services they do in salon? I actually don't work in a salon, so I'm not so familiar with those services. So, okay, let's just put hair cutting. What is, okay, let's just put this one. Then let's try to style it by giving it another color, probably. Okay, this one is okay. Let's just make it bold. You can copy the style and you paste it on another text. So let's just duplicate so we can have a series of them, like so. So they are always on the same straight and on the same line. So if you don't know how to make them be on the same line, you can always come to file, then you come to setting and say show rulers and guide. So you can come and you come here, you choose the ruler, you drag and put it to where you want to ensure straight line like this. So you can always base on this line. So you can have everything on this on a straight line. So we have something like this. Okay, so now here down you can put some contacts, and so if I want to put contacts, I can come here and look for a phone icon like so. Okay, I come to element, not text. I come to element and put a phone icon. So you can choose any as long as it is for free. These ones are not for free, so you can't choose them. So I'm gonna choose this one. Click on it, it comes here. So you can resize it, you can change the color to white. Okay. So guys, if you are enjoying this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. So I'll place it here, then I'll come and choose a text here, and I think let's just put it here like so. So you can have everything on this line. So let me drag this one. So you can come and place any phone number you want, 256-044 68 30 27. This is actually my WhatsApp number. So if at all you want any design, you can always tap me, so I can create for you any design you want. So let me change it to any color that is visible, like red. This doesn't look so nice. Okay, I think we can choose pink. Let's have this color because we have already used it here for uniformity. Okay, so you have a color like this. So you can come and maybe say you are going to put email. So you just come here and put email icon. So you can have that icon and you can always use it. So you resize, you drag, and you put it where you want. Don't forget to change the size so it can be visible. Sorry for that. Okay, like this. So can you drag and put it anywhere? So let me just duplicate this one, and I can put my any email you want. So I'm gonna put my email to gmail.com. So you can play with. So you can see that within short time we are done with a design. It's not that good, but I just wanted to guide you to show you how you can come up with a good design. So this is it. You can change it. You can change to and put anything you want. So that's all for this video. Hope you have enjoyed and hope you have learned something. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I wish you all the best. Thank you for watching.